Good morning here. Early in the morning. We've kind of lost our smoke, which is good. Well, got all the inside form boards up. Got the rebar up. Got to put one more row of rebar on the top. And then we'll set the outside boards. Pull the wires through and put the clips on them. The nails with the chalk line, that's how you set your line. Everything goes off that chalk line, and then it's leveled all the way across. And then you put little nails in it, and when you fill up with your concrete, that's what you screed off of. You finish it off of those nails. And that gives you your top. And then your 2x6 will go on top of that. We'll walk down to this other end. And on the inside there, where these wires right here goes through with the loops, they're going on the outside of the next form board, and then that rod goes through them. That keeps the wall at 8 inches. It keeps it from spreading out. And then we've got some more bracing to do tomorrow. I'm going to try to pour it tomorrow afternoon, actually. And these blockings here, right here, so right there and right there, so that's where my 12-foot garage door is going to come. So we'll only pour about a 12-inch wall there, and then my actual slab is set on top of that wall for support. And then so hopefully we can pull all these boards off Thursday or so. Then I'll start getting rid of some of this dirt, start putting it around on the outside and building things up. Because you gotta, so it says 12 inches below frost, or excuse me, sorry about that, 24 inches below frost for your footings. So that's what the footings are down. And you go up your high side like I was playing the other night, and then your low side over here, we actually dropped it down to get the footings down a little bit lower. But you've got to cover that with 24 inches of dirt. So, I'm going to have a big slope from that red line to the bottom of the fence line, which that ain't going to be too good. So I'm not for sure what I'm going to do over here yet. Might build a couple center blocks up over here on the cyclone fence to keep the dirt from going out, or see if I can put some insul board to keep the frost from going down and put half the amount of dirt on it. But I got to talk to the inspector about that. Still pretty smoky out here today. You can still see it's not quite as bad as it was. You can tell by the steeple on the church over there. You could actually see some higher clouds. So it is kind of dissipating out. And they say by Thursday or so we're supposed to be back to kind of clear it to where it's healthy to be outside. Sorry about the jiggle. I'm walking around in this stuff. Don't want to trip, gas my legs up any worse than they already are. But here's this far side over here. The same thing, we'll put another board out here, so that'd be the outside wall. And hopefully pour tomorrow. I'll try to get some videos of pouring.
Pretty cool. They're pouring the foundation walls for the new garage.
I gotta get behind to get in.
Well, time's getting short and we gotta go. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Oh, in case you forgot, remember to subscribe. See you later. Bye.